Imagine a world where you no longer have to compromise between professional-grade cinematic footage and the simplicity of flying a drone without dealing with licensing restrictions. For years, drones under 250 grams were considered entry-level devices, designed mostly for beginners or hobbyists who didn't need advanced features. That perception is now being completely overturned. The boundaries of what a compact drone can achieve are being pushed to levels that once seemed impossible, and the upcoming Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be the clearest example of this transformation. If you've been thinking about upgrading your drone or are currently using a Mini 4 or even the newer Mini 5 Pro, it might be worth pausing before making a decision. The information emerging from supply chain leaks and insider reports suggests that the Mini 6 Pro is not just a routine update. Instead, it represents a dramatic leap forward, potentially redefining what users expect from a drone in this weight class. This isn't about minor improvements in camera quality or battery life. It's about introducing features that were previously reserved for much larger, professional-grade drones. At the center of this evolution is the camera system. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a true 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor paired with a variable aperture. While previous models brought larger sensors into smaller bodies, they were still limited by fixed apertures. This new approach changes everything. A variable aperture ranging from f1.7 to f11 gives users the ability to control light intake directly from the drone, eliminating the constant need to swap ND filters during flights. For creators who care deeply about cinematic motion blur and exposure balance, this is a massive quality-of-life improvement. This advancement turns the drone into something far more than a compact flying gadget. It essentially becomes a portable cinema camera capable of adapting to changing lighting conditions in real time. Whether you're filming at sunrise, midday, or during golden hour, the flexibility offered by a variable aperture allows for consistent, professional results without interrupting your workflow. Of course, capturing high-quality footage isn't just about the sensor. Processing power plays a crucial role, and the Mini 6 Pro is expected to feature a new image processing engine capable of handling 5.1K video at 60 frames per second. This level of performance in such a small form factor is remarkable. With an estimated 14 stops of dynamic range, users can expect exceptional detail in both highlights and shadows, bringing the drone closer than ever to professional ground-based cameras. Support for 10-bit color profiles like D-Log-M and HLG ensures that creators have maximum flexibility during post-production, allowing for advanced color grading and cinematic results. Safety and reliability are also receiving a major upgrade. One of the most talked-about features is the introduction of full 360-degree LiDAR-based obstacle sensing. Traditional vision sensors often struggle in low-light conditions, making night flights risky. LiDAR changes that completely by using laser-based detection to map the environment in real time. This means the drone can effectively see, even in near-total darkness, significantly reducing the chances of collisions. For anyone flying in complex environments such as forests, cities, or tight indoor spaces, this could be a game-changer. Connectivity is another area where the Mini 6 Pro is expected to excel. The new transmission system is rumored to
The Mini
combine
6
traditional
Pro
radio
changes
frequency
everything.
communication with 5G cellular bonding.
A new era
This
of
hybrid
cinematic
approach could
flight has
dramatically
arrived.
improve signal stability, especially in areas with heavy interference. Instead of dealing with laggy video feeds or sudden signal loss, users can expect a smooth and reliable 1080p live view at high frame rates. For both recreational pilots and professionals, this added reliability enhances both safety and overall flying experience. Battery performance is also taking a significant leap forward. While standard batteries will likely keep the drone within the sub-250-gram category and provide around 35 to 40 minutes of flight time, a new high-capacity battery option is rumored to extend flight times close to an hour. This is a remarkable achievement for a drone of this size. Longer flight times mean fewer interruptions, more creative freedom, and a better chance of capturing the perfect shot without constantly worrying about battery levels. Beyond hardware, The Mini 6 Pro is expected to introduce a new level of intelligent features powered by a dedicated neural processing unit. This enables what is being described as an AI-driven creative system. Instead of simply tracking subjects, the drone can analyze scenes and execute complex cinematic movements automatically. Users might be able to give simple commands, such as requesting a dramatic reveal shot, and the drone will handle everything from flight path to camera movement. This kind of automation could be incredibly valuable for solo creators who want professional results without needing a full production crew. The gimbal system is also evolving to support modern content creation needs. With an expanded range of motion, including advanced vertical shooting capabilities, the Mini 6 Pro is designed for platforms that prioritize portrait video. Capturing true vertical footage at high resolution and frame rates without cropping ensures that creators can produce content optimized for social media without sacrificing quality. As for availability, current expectations point toward a late 2026 announcement, with pricing positioned at the higher end of the mini drone segment. While it may seem expensive compared to previous models, the value becomes clear when considering the features being offered. This device is essentially delivering capabilities that rival much larger and more expensive drones, all within a compact and regulation-friendly form factor. The Mini 6 Pro represents a significant shift in the drone industry. It challenges the idea that size limits performance and demonstrates how far technology has advanced. What was once considered a beginner category is now becoming a serious option for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The line between convenience and capability is rapidly disappearing. For anyone considering an upgrade, waiting for this release could be a smart move. The improvements being introduced are not just incremental, they redefine expectations. From the advanced camera system to the intelligent flight features and extended battery life, everything about this drone points toward a new era of aerial filmmaking. The future of compact drones is arriving faster than expected, and it's clear that the Mini 6 Pro is leading that charge.